subtraction class, addition class from the calc. I'm typing addition dot add. Look at that. When I type addition, control space. I typed, observe. I typed addition. Addition also not required, just add. Control space. It is showing you want addition. Yes. Look at the package automatically added. Then dot. Which method I have to call? Add. Add you created as a static or non-static? Non-static. So add A equal to new addition A dot add of. I want to pass this number hard coded, let's say 10, 20. Okay. Now add method is returning result. I should store in a local variable. Control 1 enter. Int add. Now A dot sub. Now sub method is available in subtraction class. Now observe now. Here I am writing new. I want to create what? Object. So what I did? I did new control space. Create new. Which type you want? Subtraction. Hello. Understood? Subtraction name sub. Where subtraction is available? Control space. Control space. For any shortcut you want. What is the mantra? Control space, control space. Import statement added. Then sub dot. Which method I should call? Subtraction of 10 comma 20. Now I need to store the result. Control 1 assign to local variable sub. Feeling easy or difficult? Why it is error coming? Cannot invoke sub on the primitive type. Oh. Variable name sub, local variable name is sub, na? That's why it is confusing. That means sub result. Add. Okay? And now I am displaying results. Double quotes. Add result colon plus. Add result. Sub result. Sub result. Okay? Control F11. Add result 30. Sub result minus 2. Okay? Yesterday, however, we have developed, same way I developed. But now, I want this user program as a separate developer. I don't want this as a same developer. Okay? Delete. Now tell me, I need to consider addition.java, subtraction.java as one developer. Right? Then this is calc developer project. Okay? It's a calc developer project. Now we have right click, new Java project 02 calc hyphen user project. Inside the user project, right click, where you enter new Java, right click new class com.n calc, and here I should write com.nit.hk.user. Finish. Tell me, can this class, calc class, access addition and subtraction available in a different project? No. What should I do? I must create the jar file with this dot class files, na? How you have to create jar file? Yesterday class, jar hyphen cvf AO classes dot jar hyphen c bin com. Lot of command you have tried. Now you are using what? Eclipse. Abracadabra. Right click on the developer folder. There is a folder called what? There is an option called what? Export. Dekh raha hai? Export. Right click on the project. Click on export. Then it is asking how you want to export as a Java jar file. And then click on next. Able to see na? Click on next. Then is asking what the jar file name you want. AO classes.jar. Where you want to save AO classes.jar in the same developer folder. Click on finish. You want this dot class file, dot project file inside the jar file? No. Uncheck. What you want? Only that much you have to check. You want this package? Yes. And these two classes? Yes. Java file exported or dot class files exported or? Dot class files of these Java files are exported. Finish. Okay. Now right click, refresh. Where is refresh here? Refresh. Okay, it's not coming. Okay, go to the hard disk folder, D drive, 6 p.m. Boringa, IDE. Look at there in IDE, we have AO classes.jar file created. Na? I need to send this jar file to whom? Developer. Send it to the developer. Then what developer will do? Developer, extract. Client will extract zip file here. What developer will do now? Developer will set class path. Developer, this user class developer will add class path. Tell me, in Eclipse, class path is not used. Eclipse doesn't use the system class path. It has its own class path. Observe, cal C, main. If I type addition, is addition class showing or not showing? Not showing. Now, here, right click on your project. Right click on your project. Again, right click on your project. There is an option called what? Build path. So what is the class path of Eclipse? Build path. Build path. What you want to add? Add a library or add external archives. You want to add jar files, na? Add external archives. Click on it. Then it's asking where is the jar file. Select a D drive. Already you downloaded, na? 6 p.m. 6 p.m. IDEs. Select the jar file. Open. Okay, na? Jar file is came and added as referenced libraries. Observe now. Now addition class is showing, na? Tell me. If you use a regular manual, how much work you are doing? Setting the class path all. But if it is a Eclipse, setting class path or configurations, configurations. Addition, add, okay, addition, add equal to new addition of, add dot, add of, 10 comma, okay, let me take scanner, scanner SCN, scanner SCN equal to new scanner of system dot in. Okay. Then what do you write now next? After addition object created. Here I should read two numbers. System dot out at println. Come on, sir. Enter first number. Then SCN dot next in. Okay. Control 1, enter FNO. Okay. FNO place, let me take simply A. Next, copy, paste. Enter second number. Then enter B. Next, what I need to do? I need to pass the 10 and 20 to the add method logic. A, B, semicolon, control 1, assign to local variable, add result. Then next, I have to create subtraction object. Subtraction class is shown or not? Yes, because of build path, not because of class path. Eclipse means what is the word? Build path. Subtraction sub equal to new subtraction. Next, sub dot sub of A comma B. semicolon, control 1, assign to local variable, sub result. Then system dot out at println, double quotes, add result plus add result, sub result, okay. Here it is showing warning. I want to hide this warning. Right click, sorry, control 1, surround with, no, add suppress warning resource. Is it clear? Now I am running this project regularly manually. Then enter first number 10, enter second number 20, result add result 30, sub result minus. Okay, now tell me. As a developer in Eclipse, I can run this project with a shortcut control F11. Can a client run it? No. What I need to do? I have to export as a executable jar file. To export as a executable jar file, right click on this fellow, right click on this project, right click, export as a jar file. Next, 1 second. There are two jar files are there, jar file and runnable jar file. We are calling executable jar file, but this fellow is calling as what? Runnable jar file. Export, extract required libraries into generated jar. Package required libraries into generated jar. Copy required libraries into a subfolder next to the generated jar. And tell me, when you develop executable jar file, let's see now. The runnable jar file means what it will do. I'm getting doubt. Okay, look at here. You know, this jar file is depending on this AO classes jar file. Na? So when you are exporting as an executable jar file along with the main method class, this jar file also should be extracted. Now Eclipse is giving three options. Extract required libraries into generated jar. And now extracting the jar file, the packages are including here. Second, package required libraries into generated jar file. Place this jar file inside the generated jar. No. Copy required libraries into subfolder next to the generated jar. Yes, we want separately. Then click on, then browse where you want to copy. I want to copy in the same folder. Okay, it's asking one folder. Let me say right click, new folder with the name project. Okay, in the selecting, select, oh, I should enter file name. Okay, file name is what we taken yesterday, main.jar. Save. What the file name? Main.jar. Browse. I want project main.jar. Okay, and then click on finish. Let's see what happens. This Eclipse is configured a little different is there, so that's why I also doubt what is happening. IDE project folder. Look at that. Main lib into that AO classes.jar file is copied, and then main-jar, right click, open with WinRAR archive. Com folder is copied na? Com, inside com NIT HK user calc.class. Okay. Then next meta-inf manifest.mf. Wow. Whatever yesterday I did manual, everything is now doing by Eclipse, no? Look at there, main-class com.nit.hk.user.calc, class-path. Remember, yesterday I placed dot, Eclipse is also placing dot main-lib/ AO classes dot jar. Super, wonderful, marvelous. Then close. What to do now? I want run this jar file. To run this jar file, I need batch file. Now new text document. What do you write? Run dot bat. Then right click, open with edit plus, type here Java output Java hyphen jar space main dot jar and then pause. Yesterday class, one more time I am explaining. Are you watching? Up to now, whatever you have learned, everything I am explaining again by using Eclipse. Will you try to learn this one by using Eclipse? Then now, right, what is this? This project, right click, WinRAR, add to archive, then choosing a zip file. Okay. Now I am sharing this project.zip to whom now? Client. Assume that client, copy, right click, new folder, taking what? Client. In this client folder, he downloaded, right click, extract here, extracted. Then go to project folder, he will run, double click on run bad. Look at that. Program running, 10 or 20, add result 30, sub result minus. So whatever we have developed yesterday with a lot of commands we remember and tried. Today commands are just a clicks. Which one is easy? Command or clicker? Both are tough. As long as you don't practice. If you practice, both are easy. If you don't practice, both are tough. Understood how to generate packages based code? Project develop cheta. Ready? Okay, this is just a hello world program. First project is hello world program. Second project is packages based project. Okay, now I want to develop object oriented project. Ready? Right click, new. As you will surprise now. Java project 03 whoop based project. Right click, new package com.nit.hk.beans or Pojo. Pojo, not Bajo. Telugu people, not Bajo. Pojo means plain old Java object. In a project, you create a class with the fields. You create a class with the fields, with the setter getter methods, business logic methods. A class that is not extending from any special class. It just create a normal plain class. Then we call technically what? Pojo. Right click, new Java project. New class. I am creating the class name as what? Person. Our favorite class I am taking. Okay. Now here, person class. What are the properties you want? Private. Private. Int eyes. Ears. Hands. Legs. Name. Height. Weight. Okay. Next what? I want initialize eyes, ears, hands, legs with a default value 222. Where I should write? Where I should initialize static variables? Static. I is equal to 2. Ears equal to 2. Hands equal to. Legs equal to. Okay. Next, I want to initialize these properties via constructor. చెప్పండి ఎలా రాయాలి కోడ్ గుర్తుందా మర్చిపోయారా how to write a constructor remember or forgot okay very good no problem right click right click right click what do you want source code you want source generate constructor by using fields अरे एम रहा ऐसा देख रहा है समझ में आया नहीं आया भैया ओ भैया क्या समझ में आया Eclipse generated constructor okay you no need to define constructor ask compile eclipse I want one constructor create okay na next what you need next to constructor what you need next to constructor in this program what we need setter getter methods ra babu how many setter getter methods I required oh yamo 4 plus 3 7 into 2 14 setter getter methods I had right get it eclipse please generate source what source you want getters and setters you want getters and setters for all properties select all generated for a smile Eclipse is doing everything for you know for smile wow super వచ్చిందా సరే తెలియనా అలా సైలెంట్ కూర్చుండేలా నువ్వు రాయకుండా అంత కోడ్ అసలు ఎన్ని లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ వచ్చింది చూడు 83 లైన్స్ ఆఫ్ కోడ్ నువ్వు అసలు అలా చిటికేస్తే వచ్చేసింది అబ్రకదబ్రా కోడ్ ఆజా ఆవో ఆవాహయామి అంటే వచ్చేస్తుంది గర్ల్స్ అండర్స్టూడా ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ display method display na to string right click source generate to string method for me okay you want to string method with what properties to string method is a static non static method na Eclipse will not give you static fields it will give you only non-static fields to string method came variable name equal to name equal to height equal to weight equal to okay static variables not included if you want static variables you type extra additional you type I is equal to okay now we'll do one thing I want I don't want this pattern okay I don't like this pattern. I don't want name equal to like this. I want move everything to the next line. So what I should write? Comma place what I should write? Slash n. Comma place what you write? Slash n. Comma place not. Now I want ICS hands also. What you write? Now bring this one to next line. Eyes, I. Slash n. Ears, ear. Hands, hand. Okay, na? What did you understand? Are you typing code or generating code? Next. Now I want business logic method. Why public void as a person we must eat to system dot out dot println double quotes name plus is eating. Next. అంతే తినడం పడుకోవడం చేసే పనేలే స్లీప్ name is deep sleeping. Okay, so this is what person class, all properties and business logic methods. How fast we created? Now here I am writing slash t slash t slash t slash t slash t slash. If you start using Eclipse, then you will start understand the benefits of Eclipse. Okay, tell me next, what should I do? I want to create subclass to the person. Control N, create a class. Which class? Student. As a subclass of whom? Person. Finish. Hey, why error coming? Class name? Already saved na person class. Saved. Come on guys. Why error coming? And students, class is public also. What array? Import. If import is the problem, error should come to the person. Tumri fellow. Error is coming to student. Why student is problem? Same. Variables are private. So what array? Just one. If variables are private, what is the problem to the class, Rabbi? What? Anyone in the class? Why error? Huh? Even రాయబోతే error వచ్చిందరే. Rabbi, I can create empty class. Bolo, bolo, why? This is nowhere related to eclipse, right? It is nowhere related to eclipse. Okay, I'm giving you 24 hours time. Find out why they are. Today and tomorrow, all the people have to complete. All the people should go to Drive, open this file IDE and Eclipse notes. By following this file, download Eclipse, install Eclipse, create a class, compile it, execute it. What are the programs you have learned previously? Few programs try to develop. Chapter-wise program. Revise. Hello world program. Next data types chapter program. Variables chapter program. Arrays chapter program. Methods chapter program. All chapters one by one, you keep on try to create. Will you develop? Try to develop. Try to develop one chapter, one question. From every chapter, one question you try to develop. Okay, na? Then only you can understand Eclipse power. Otherwise, Eclipse to Edit Plus, you don't see any difference. I will use Eclipse shortcuts too much. Following? I don't type anything. I will only choose and type. Choose and click. Choose, click. That's it. Okay? Thank you. That's all for today class. See you all tomorrow. Raman Patel, which batch student you are, you didn't tell. You don't have any information about this batch, but how did you join this course? (8:30 p.m. batch, 6 p.m. batch, there is no difference in the drive link. Same drive link. Classroom is same classroom. 8:30 p.m. batch classroom you follow. Path set చేయాలండి. JDK bin folder path ni permanent settings చేయాలి. JDK bin folder ni path లో సెట్ చేయాలి.